So last month, I received finally my 22 Chevy Tahoe. I factory ordered and the way I want it, and still today's market, like, they're going crazy. It's impossible to purchase brand new vehicle, right? So I ordered a lot of aftermarket stuff for my Chevy Tahoe, and everything is going to be on this channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my world. And you're going to see a lot of stuff on this channel. We're going to compare expensive versus cheap, brand name versus non-brand name, unknown companies, new companies to the market, and we always compare crocodile versus bananas, right? If you watch on my previous video, I did the video on my Venture N4 dash cam. This is a 3-camera dash cam, so I love this camera. That dash cam, how it works, the performance, everything. On my Chevy Tahoe, I end up with this AZDOME dash cam. It's also exactly the same three-way, 3 cameras inside, outside, but this is the really different features than previous cameras, right? If you think to purchase one of these camera, this is the video for you. Let's go. In the very quality box, so let's see what is inside the box. So this is all you're gonna get in the box. On the packaging, they really paid attention for what included to the box, right? As you can see, you have a 64 GB high-speed memory card. It will work perfectly with the dash cam, so you're not gonna be going back and forth which memory card you're gonna use it, right? Instruction manual, how to install it. This is the interior camera. If you want to use the interior camera, definitely you're gonna stick this and you're gonna use it, but without the camera, it doesn't come without any extra stuff. It's only camera. The GPS system or the Wi-Fi system doesn't come with it, so it's gonna be a really nice external module. So the charging port, it's gonna be the USB charger. Of course, I'm going to use different charging ports. For now, we're going to use this, and of course this is a micro USB, the power cord. So the rear camera also comes with the micro HDMI, as you can see, and the wire quality is really good. But I'm going to install on my huge large Tahoe, so we're going to see how this wire it will be enough, or it's going to be short. I don't know. So this is the camera itself. I'm not going to go over, but the camera itself comes with this magnet. So as you can see, you just put it and it's going to be automatically just sticking out on the magnet. You have a contact here for the power and the GPS, and you just throw it, and it's going to be always the exactly same location it will be contacting, like a very strong magnet, and really nice. As you can see, GPS antenna is going to be built in here, and this is a double side stick. So if you don't want to use double side stick on your windshield, if you worry about the the cleaning later on, of course they included two vinyls to install it to your windshield, and later on you just peel it off, so your windshield is going to be really clean. The camera itself is not huge, and the buttons, as you can see on my previous camera, it was a buttons on the top. On this one, it's going to be buttons on the bottom. So the lens is not that big, as you can see, but we're going to drive right now, and we're going to see. As you can see, so you have the microphone on the bottom, the reset button, and you have the power buttons, and up and down, and OK button right here. So the micro USB and the micro HDMI input for the rear camera. Interior camera, it's going to be from this side. So I missed this part. They even include little toolkit, and for the wire running, you have a little sticker, so you can stick this and you can run on the dash your wires. First, you're going to install this the film for the windshield film. As you can see, it's installed already, very nice and clean, without any bubbles. So I'm gonna just squeegee a little bit bubbles right here, as you can see, and it's gonna be the sitting there. After then, we're gonna just stick our camera on this the vinyl. So now we're gonna just take it off the adhesive, and we're gonna locate the camera where we're gonna install on the middle. So now, after locate the camera, I can install a little bit lower. I tried to install all the way up, but my rear mirror is going to be blocking the camera. It's a lot, so that's why it moved a little bit front. So as you can see, you have two options. You can